Hello unanimous friends and TPC. Annyeong! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. For today video, i-share ko sa inyo ang TPC products. Aside from load, meron din tayong tangible product na ino-offer. Ito ang kagandahan sa TPC. Hindi ka lang sa loading kikita, may mga tangible product din tayo na pang health and beauty na very affordable price like coffee na may health benefits. Kung coffee lovers ka, subukan mo ito. Your kids definitely love this choco amounting 250 pesos. It has ginkgo biloba that sharpens brain memory and guto cola that is used as traditional herb medicine by the Chinese. Then try this cappuccino coffee, 230 pesos. Combination of acai berry and goji berry that is rich in antioxidants that boost the immune system. Next, my favorite black coffee, 190 pesos, contains ginkgo that sharpens brain's memory, agaricus mushroom that stimulates the immune system, and tongkat ali to enhance sexual performance. Last, the latte coffee, 200 pesos. The powerful ingredients of spirulina for weight loss, agaricus to stimulate the immune system, and moringa that contains proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Unanimous friends and TPC, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. Until next video. Bye! I love you. Sarang he!